Hello everyone, this is my signature verification system. So basically it is developed using Python. So we will begin with some prerequisites required. SSIM library in Python, I've used it to identify the signature using three features such as luminance, contrast and structure. So let's go to the code. So basically a key image library in Python. We have imported structural similarity. I've defined a function compare signatures where I have defined three parameters: uploaded image, folder path, and threshold. So my uploaded image is here. So we will be comparing these images with these all five images. Last one is my image, and I have defined a threshold limit, which is the SSIM index. Only if it is more than 0.9, the image will be passed. So we are going to run the module. So the first image comes up. SSIM index is not more than 0.9. Second image, same not. Third image, fourth image. Now the fifth image has SSIM score 1.0, more than 0.9. So match was found and my image is passed.